What are we doing today, George?
Tearing off the roof.
Yay!
Yes.
All right, George and I got the generator running. I don't know if you can hear me over it, but what are we doing today?
Tearing off the roof.
Have you ever tore a roof off again?
Once.
Come up here where everyone can hear you.
More roofs than need to be torn off.
What would you say is your profession over the last 30 years?
Roofing.
Is that going to change today?
No, more roofing today.
No. Are you qualified to put a roof on this cabin?
Very qualified.
Will this be the hardest roof you ever did?
No.
Could you roof it by yourself in one day?
Yes.
Challenge accepted.
Let's go.
Yeah, grab a stick or a pebble or something, shove it in there. Pencil. Who's got a pencil? Welcome to the first ever Build Life Backwood Olympics. Let the games begin. Yay! All right, so for the first event, we're going to be shooting the red, white, and blue cups off of the sawhorse with the framing gun. How many shots you want, George? You could call it.
10.
10. 10 shots, who could get the most done? George is going to go first.
10 shots.
No, no, George, that's not what we meant. Technical difficulties. All right, George has 2.
All right, Pete.
This is a repeat. That's 8. Now.
Got the room to go straight in there, man. That's it.
Oh, that's worth half a point. You got 2 more. Oh, that one almost hit. All right, that's a 1 for Ray. How many did you get, Pete?
Professional shooter.
You have to talk in a whisper like a golf tournament. I guess that's 2.
Dave wins. Hoorah!
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
That was 10.
Well, it's the next day here. You guys probably can't see on the roof there, but it's got snow all over it, as does everything else. So 'tis the season, but that's all right. So we got the new electric service in. I'm waiting for an electric inspector to show up here and take a look. They put a sticker on it. Health department, make sure you're not just draining your toilets down a hill. An electric inspector that inspects to the panel to make sure there's a disconnect, and they'll hook it up. I did call for service. You could see we got a pole right there. And they, as far as they're concerned, they don't know that this is a new service on the house here. So they're not sweating an inspection. But I think when they get here, they'll change their mind. I called the inspector last night. He said to call him again this morning and confirm. I called and left a message. He didn't get back to me. I called Jackson Energy, who's the energy provider. They set up an inspection for their guy to come out. Then this other guy called and said he's coming. It's $100. I'm gonna give him his money, get the shiny little sticker. That way nobody can say we're not ready, and we should get power hooked up to here before the next time we come back. That will be great.
Looks like it's meant to go on a lumber mill. That's harder than it looks.
Couple curls. Do a couple curls. There you go. Big Sasquatch. Okay guys, these Kentucky cabins, this one in particular we're working on, we call it K2 at the top of the hill. It's really coming together. You know, it's got a roof, it's got all the things. I got guys coming to do spray foam insulation, drywall, paint while we're not there. So when we get back, this will be pretty close. We'll be doing finish work, so I'm excited for that. Again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, catch you on the next one.